Hi and welcome back to MRTV. This is the Pimax Crystal and I'm going to use it in Microsoft Flight Simulator now with my 3080 GPU, and I'm telling you, you will be shocked, just like I was. So, first of all, before we get into it, thanks so much to VR Flight Sim Guy who has taught me that magic that, well, you will see in a moment. So, absolutely stay tuned, watch the whole video because all of this goodness is coming up. Alright, thanks for being back here on MRTV. My name is Sebastian and well, absolutely subscribe to the channel if you're excited about VR and the Pimax Crystal. So, ready to fly. Let's do this. Oh, wow. Looking down here is already crazy. Let me get into the cockpit, and here we are. I always fly Paris, and I'm telling you, I've never seen it as clear as this. And I get super nice FPS. I'm getting like 49, 50 here right now. This is incredible. So how sharp is it? It is, yeah, as sharp as the HP Re-Raptor 2, but over the whole field of view, which is approaching the Valve Index FOV. It is absolutely amazing to see that on my 3080. I thought that I would have to get a 4090, but you know what? No, I do not. So, yes. Thank you. You see it, right? 47 FPS right now. This is more than I get with other headsets. Like, I recently tried the really good DPVR E4 and I was getting like 25 frames, but this here, this is everything. It looks so clear. It is just a dream. A flight simming dream come true here. So, how does this magic happen on my 3080? So again, thank you, VR Flight Sim Guy, for teaching me this magic. Wow. So how do I do it? Oh, this looks so good. Oh, wow. Okay. So how does it work? First of all, Pimax has its own OpenXR runtime. That was done by one person. And yeah, I'm linking that runtime down in the description of this video. Sorry, I forgot the name. I think it's Matt, the person who did this. Thanks so much. So you will find the link to this Pimax OpenXR runtime in the description of this video. So I installed that, and that lets me use this Pimax OpenXR implementation. And yeah, so with that tool, I can simply change to that. And then I installed the latest version of the OpenXR Toolkit. And in that toolkit, I did some settings. And these settings, you have to simply override the resolution in the second last menu and put it to something like 3500 by something. I'm going to put the exact numbers into the description of this video. And also, you should turn on, wow, you should turn on the turbo mode. Woo! My goodness. Oh wow, I love this here. Turn on the turbo mode, and then, well, even on your 3080, you can play this in the Crystal, unbelievably sharp. Again, it is the sharpest, most beautiful thing that I've ever seen in VR, truly. Better than the Aero, with a wider FOV. Wow, it's so good. With your 3080, and it's an absolute dream. I'm truly shocked. So I don't even need to upgrade to a 4090. This is smoother than any other headset now. And it's still super high resolution. It's super clean and clear. So what are my settings for the flight simulator? I'm on medium settings. You know, like most of them is medium. I could still turn it off, increase it, and then yeah, I would get lower FPS, or I could decrease the quality and I could higher FPS. But this medium setting is great. So 45 FPS. I had 50 before. And you know, Paris, there's so much things going on. This is like a complicated level. You know, if I would fly something else, I would even get more. And it looks photorealistic here now, the stuff that I see. This is truly the dream of every flight simmer, wow, realized. So 3080, you are a go with the Crystal. So CPU, I'm using a Ryzen 3900. So definitely, this is not the latest system anymore. Okay, wow, like all the people with the 4090, you can turn this up. So I'm also now on NVIDIA DLSS on the quality setting. You know, like you can, with the 4090, you can get way more than this. You know, but then I can play this now with a Crystal like this, with 44, 45, 46, 50 FPS. With this kind of quality, this is a game changer. So if you own a 3080, you got my thumbs up for Microsoft Flight Simulator and the Pimax Crystal. Now, is this good news or what? Wow. So I totally didn't expect it. You know, I knew that Steve was getting like super nice FPS with his 4090 and these settings. So this is now late after our podcast. I simply needed to try this because I just wanted to see how good can this be on a 3080, and it is this good. Game changer. So what are your thoughts about this? Are you going to get the Crystal now? Were you like still not sure because of your 3080? Does this video make you happy? Give it a thumbs up if yes. Oh wow, oh wow. So I put it into dev mode so you can see the FPS. Wow, this must be unbelievable with a 4090. Are you kidding me? Yeah. So, super happy about this. Again, I am going to put the links down into the description of this video for the Pimax XR runtime, for the OpenXR Toolkit, and I'm going to also let you know how to set it up. So for the OpenXR Toolkit, to get into the menu, you have to press on CTRL F2, and then the menu will come up in VR. And then with CTRL F1 and F3, you can maneuver right and left in that menu, and with CTRL F2, you can go down in the menu structure. It sounds a bit complicated, but actually it is pretty fine. Yeah, so again, thumbs up. Fantastic colors, fantastic clarity here with a 3080. Super nice FPS for Microsoft Flight Simulator. For Microsoft Flight Simulator, this is actually nice. So super happy about this video. I really hope that you are happy about it too. If yes, give it a thumbs up. If you want to chat with me and the community about the Crystal or the Beyond or any other VR headset, go to the MRTV Discord server. Go to the MRTV Discord server, and the link is also down in the description of this video, and chat with me in the community. And yeah, make sure to subscribe to this so that, yeah, you can get more videos about Crystal, about Beyond, about VR in general. That is everything that I got for this video. Super happy that I could bring this to you so fast. And yeah, my thumbs up. So if you want to order this, you can do it via the MRTV affiliate link. And the link is down in the description. You're going to get like a $20 discount, which is not much, but at least something, right? And you're getting the DMAS, the better speakers, for free if you order this before 30th of June. So I can absolutely recommend this for Microsoft Flight Simulator, now also with the 3080. This is great, and I'm looking forward for your happy messages once you try this. I believe you will be as happy as I am. That is everything that I got for this video. And yeah, thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next one. Until then, bye-bye.